Hello, welcome to preview week of AC CIS 350. I'm Robert Yawson, and I'll be your facilitator for the next 8 weeks. I'm a professor of management at the School of Business, and I'm excited to be teaching this course. As you know, among computer programs which exists, Microsoft Excel is one of the most important because of the key role it plays in many sectors. It is the most used spreadsheet program in many businesses, classwork, and even personal data organization. Excel was first released in 1985, and since then, it has played a vital role in performing formula-based arithmetic and calculations and other activities that may require use of Excel because of its utility and the ability to serve as a visual basic for different applications. I know the first week of every class is a challenge, but I recommend that you use the preview week. That's why the course is open a week before the whole class starts. So you use this preview week time to thoroughly familiarize yourselves with the syllabus, Blackboard course sites, the course requirement, and the readings. And fortunately, the readings in this class is an activity based, so you don't have to read before doing exercises. As you are reading, the reading itself is an exercise and it's graded. It's one of the few classes maybe you take where the reading is actually graded because it's an activity based. As you are reading the assigned chapters of the book, you would also be working. And you have to make special note of these deliverables within a 7-week course because we all know it moves really fast. And this class is activity-based intensive. You might need 15 to 19 hours a week to be successful in this class. And there are so many ways to contact me by email, by phone, and these days, you know, when you even call phone, it gets into Zoom. But I also have my Zoom email, Zoom address, URL posted on our syllabus, and I have office hours on Wednesdays between 11 and 12 via Zoom. The required tests, I hope you've all got your textbook. If not, you have to quickly get them. You can get them from the bookstore, print them, or get them through Amazon or any other place, or even the Vital Source website. It's the new Perspectives Microsoft Office 365 SL 2019. So what I want to do now is to go through with you quickly about the Blackboard site. If you've not taken Blackboard course before, which I think you've all taken, you have to pay particular attention to some of the little things within Blackboard. How to navigate Blackboard is essential. As an asynchronous class, you really have to be conversant with the use of Blackboard. And also pay attention with the announcement. Every week I send an announcement, a minimum of one announcement per week, which is on the Blackboard course site, direct us to do. Occasionally I'll provide video like this explaining issues if there's the need for it. So now let me share my screen. Yeah, so I hope you all see it. This is the Blackboard course site. When you log in into Blackboard, this is where it will take you. Now I have no announcement posted. I'm going to post one soon with this video. So when you log into the Blackboard, this is where you come to. This is tab here, the medium here is very important. The announcement page, which you, when you log in, it takes you directly to. Then the syllabus and course documents. If you click on it, it takes you to this place where the syllabus is. In this class, you are to use CIS. You are highly encouraged to use CIS. The CIS instructions are here. Especially if you are using Mac. I don't use Mac, so I may not be able to help in some instances, but CIS is the best to use. So this is the CIS instructions, how to work within CIS or download the Microsoft Excel 19 from CIS, etc. Then we have data files. This is really important. These data files are what you are going to use throughout the class. So you may have to download it onto your PC, and all the data we are going to use are here in the data files. So when you click the data files, you will see this zip file. When you click, then you download it into your PC or device. Then this instructional videos, courtesy of my colleague, Professor Kiku Jones, who taught this class in the summer. And this further contains instructional videos for the class. I maintain them because they are very good videos explaining some key issues that will granted here. Some of the dates and the due date are not applicable to this, but I maintain them so that you will see, and I'll refer to them where I think there's the need for you to watch those videos. It really helps with some of the assignments we'll do here. And we have the University Policy on Academic Integrity, Statement of Inclusive Values. And this is about me, my background. So if you want to know more about me, you can watch my interview and also this video. Then we have the all-important learning modules. In this class, it's divided into 4 modules over 7 weeks. The course module 1 is of 1 week duration, and every module is almost the same. The activities, as I told you, this class is activity intensive, and so if you fall behind, it's difficult to catch up. So you should really be working alongside. What I do with my Blackboard courses is that I open every module throughout the semester. So those who want to work ahead can always work ahead. But then we'll go module by module the entire class. And course module 2 is all other modules are of 2 week duration. So when you click on the module, let's say module 1, it takes you to the module page where you have everything, the learning objectives, the course module 1 tasks, what we'll do within the module. Like this one, there will be self-introduction. You have to introduce ourselves. We have to get to know ourselves as a community of learners. And there's a PowerPoint slides from your textbook. Then, so this is the prompt for the self-introduction. You click, and then we have the textbook module 1 tutorial and textbook 1 case problem 2. So there are 2 case problems within module 1 of the textbook. And let me make this clear. It might be confusing because the book also uses modules. It has, I think, 12 modules. So to distinguish between what the book is referring to and our learning modules, I call the learning modules, the modules for this course, the 4 modules, as the course modules. And the textbook module, which is 12, is the test book module. That's why I refer to differentiate the 2. So when I talk about textbook module, I'm referring about the 12 modules in the textbook. But when we refer to the course module, that's the 4 course module for this course, 1, 2, to 4. So this is it, and each of the module are the same. So if you go back to learning modules, you see learning module for so course module 2 is the same. These are all the activities you have to do. Most of the, when we talk about test book module 2 readings, module 2 tutorial is from page 2.5 to 2.6. So it's the reading, but as you are reading, it's an active experiential work. So you'll be completing an Excel spreadsheet with the instructions within the reading. After that, you upload for grading, and it's graded. It's 15 points for each one. Then we have case problem 1, case problem 2, which you also do and submit. The data files can be found in the data files folder, as I showed you. Then we have 3 different quizzes for this class. We call it knowledge checks. It's 150 points each. Then we have a final exam, but the final exam is optional. If you are satisfied with it, your score for the 3 exam, you can choose not to take the final exam. But then if you think you didn't do well in one of the 3 earlier quizzes, then you can take the final exam, and one of the exam will be dropped. So in all, we have this 3 quizzes and the final exam, but then the lowest one will be dropped. But if you do well, you don't want to take the final exam, it's fine. It's fine with me, because we need the 3. So this is about the Blackboard course sites. Then there's a class discussion page where you use the frequently asked questions, where if you have a question for the class, you ask it here, and if some of you know the answer, you answer directly to your colleagues. And I encourage you people to subscribe to the forum, so that if somebody asks a question, you will know before you also either repeat the question or even not knowing something that you should know. So it's good to subscribe to it. And then the self-introduction. And as I said, I have Zoom office hours on Wednesdays from 11 to 12. So you can always come here and join if you want to join me during the office hours. So basically, this is all about the Blackboard, and this is the preview week. And as I said, take time, read through the syllabus, navigate the Blackboard course sites, and familiarize yourself with everything, the citrus. And if you have questions, let me know. And it's going to be an enjoyable class. It's a very active class, and I hope to see you all on for the next 7 weeks. Thank you for being in this class. So let me stop sharing and see you all later. Bye.